Hi, welcome to the Grove at Swift Creek Westover floor plan. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1148 square feet, and it's just one of the 4 different floor plan options we have here to offer. Let's take a look around. Right when you walk in this apartment, you're greeted by this charming living room. It features 9-foot ceilings, wood planking throughout, and a large window that brings in a ton of natural light. Speaking of natural light, check out this patio. Every home here has a private patio or balcony with gorgeous views of our 37-acre property. And then continuing past the living room is the first of 2 dining opportunities you have in this apartment. This is your more formal space. It can comfortably fit up to 8, and it's the perfect spot to feature a gallery wall or some colorful artwork. Then, as we move into the kitchen, you'll see it features all-white cabinetry, a pantry, slate appliances, a double sink, glass stovetop, and this little flex space, which could be used as you see set up here as a workspace, or could double as a more casual breakfast nook. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. We're here in the primary suite, and what I love about this space is that it's cozy, but it feels like a boutique hotel. You have room for a queen bed, and then you have this spacious closet and a well-appointed bathroom, which features a vanity and a soaking tub. Next, you have the secondary bedroom, which is just as spacious as the primary. It also has its own walk-in closet and connects to a shared ensuite bathroom, which connects to the main hallway for easy access for guests. Additionally, every apartment here has a laundry room that includes a washer and dryer and has some extra storage space. And that's a quick look at our 2-bed, 2-bath. If you'd like to make the Grove at Swift Creek your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.